Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you a super easy way to view and copy the full path of any file or folder on your Mac. This can be really useful when you need to share the location of a file, use it in coding, or just keep track of where something is saved. So let's get started. First, find the file or folder you want the path for. In my case, I'm going to use a photo as an example. Now to view the path, we'll be using the Terminal app. Once the terminal window is open, here's the easy trick. Click and hold the file or folder, then drag it and drop it into the terminal window. As soon as you drop it, the full path of that file or folder will appear automatically inside Terminal. Now that you can see the path, you might want to copy it. Next, let's paste it somewhere. For example, open the Notes app and paste the path there. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching.